They say this is power. Let's see what it is. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have bilmek. Bilmek. Bilmek is to know, to be aware of, or to know how to. Let's see those in some phrases. To know the answer, to be aware of the rules, to know how to swim. Let's see what do they mean. Cavabı bilmek. Cevap, answer, the answer, cevabı bilmek. Qaydaları bilmek, qayda rule, qaydalar rules, qaydaları the rules, to be aware of the rules. To know how to swim, üzməyi bilmək, üzmək, to swim, swim, üzmək is infinitive, üzməyi, to swim, the swimming, the knowledge of swimming basically. Üzməyi bilmək, cool? Wanna see more? Let's explore sentences. Mən cavabı bilmək istəyirəm. I want to know the answer. Mən, we know it. İstəyirəm, want. Cavabı, the answer. Bilmək, to know. Mən cavabı bilmək istəyirəm. See what did I do here? Bilmək. Remember I told you when the words end with k sound in pronunciation, they turn into y, bilmək. İstəyirəm, we have said it many times. What happens to there? I guess you know it already. Now, another one. Qaydaları bilmək vacibdir. It's important to know the rules. Qaydaları, the rules, bilmək, to know, vacibdir, it is important. Qaydaları bilmək vacibdir. Right? That was my way of using bilmək in Azerbaijani sentences. I have another one for you here. Bilmək is good, but you also need to apply it. Always. And if you want to know how to apply it, come back and check masterazerbaijan.com for more. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for another word. Cheers.